Did you know that 80% of millionaires credit their success to one key habit: mastering their mindset? That's right, wealth isn't just about luck or hard work, it's about how you think. Today, I'm diving into Napoleon Hill's classic, Think and Grow Rich, to uncover 10 life-changing lessons. And here's the kicker. Join me as I take on the challenge of applying these 10 powerful life lessons to my daily routine for a whole week. Welcome back, everyone. If you haven't heard of Think and Grow Rich, let me introduce you to a book that's transformed millions of lives since 1937. Written by Napoleon Hill, it's a treasure trove of wisdom on success and personal growth. Today, I'm sharing 10 key lessons from this masterpiece, practical ideas you can use to level up your life. Let's dive in. Now let's be real for a moment. How many times have you set a big goal, maybe a dream job, financial freedom, or just a happier life, only to hit a wall? You're not alone. Most of us struggle with self-doubt, procrastination, or just not knowing where to start. I've been there too, wanting more but feeling stuck. That's where Think and Grow Rich comes in. Napoleon Hill spent 20 years studying the world's most successful people, like Henry Ford and Thomas Edison. And he found that success isn't just about what you do, it's about how you think. The problem? Too many of us let fear or a scattered mindset hold us back. But the good news? These 10 lessons I'm about to share are like a roadmap to rewiring your brain for success. And trust me, I'm testing them out myself this week, so stick around to hear how it goes. Okay, let's break down these 10 life lessons from Think and Grow Rich. Short, sweet, and actionable. Desire. Success starts with a burning goal. Want to save $10,000? Feel it like it's already yours. Faith. Believe you can do it. I repeat positive affirmations daily to boost my confidence. Autosuggestion. Train your subconscious by repeating your goals out loud. Try it in the mirror. Specialized knowledge. Focus on learning skills that matter. I'm brushing up on budgeting this week. Imagination. Dream big. Visualize your ideal life. It's like a mental rehearsal for success. Organized planning. Break your goal into steps. I'm mapping out my week to stay on track. Decision. Stop waffling. Commit to your path and act fast. Hesitation kills dreams. Persistence. Push through setbacks. I'll keep going even if I stumble this week. Mastermind. Surround yourself with supportive people. I'm chatting with a mentor for advice. The subconscious mind. Feed it positivity. I'm cutting out negative self-talk starting today. These aren't just theories. They're tools I'm putting to the test. Now, if I had to pick one lesson that hits hardest, it's persistence. This is the turning point in Think and Grow Rich. The moment Hill shows us that every successful person faced failure but refused to quit. Take Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Thousands. I used to think giving up was okay when things got tough. But this lesson flipped the script for me. Persistence isn't just grit. It's believing your goal is worth it, even when the odds stack up. This week, I'm leaning into that. If I miss a day of my challenge or mess up, I won't stop. I'll keep going. And that's the secret sauce. Sticking with it until you break through. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. What about you? Where could persistence change your game? So there you have it. 10 life lessons from Think and Grow Rich. Desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision, persistence, mastermind, and the subconscious mind. They're simple but profound, and I'm pumped to see how they play out in my week-long challenge. Success isn't magic, it's mindset, and these ideas prove it. Hey, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite lesson from this list? Drop it in the comments below. I'm reading every one. And if you're hungry for more personal growth tips, check out my video on 5 morning habits to boost your day. It's linked right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. so you don't miss how my challenge turns out. See you next time.